Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss about downloading videos from Twitch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see various different live stream as well as clips that you can start watching by simply tapping on them. Now, while the Twitch application doesn't support the download feature natively, you will be able to use a third-party application to download clips from the platform. There is no direct way to download the live videos, however. So just tap on the clips menu and then tap on the share button within the clip that you wish to download. You can then tap on the copy button, and now from your web browser, open up any third-party online downloader for Twitch. You will then see the paste link. Just paste this link within the given box and then tap on the download button, and now this will download your video from the Twitch application using this platform. Tap on the download now button and this video will be saved to your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download videos from the Twitch platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.